What's going on, guys, and welcome to another trade breakdown. Today we traded US 30, we took a long, however we took a small loss, 0.1%, basically a break-even trade. Today is the 13th of February, it is Thursday. Again, I was looking for longs. Let me go to the higher time frame to find my bias. So I always look at the 4 hourly or the 1 hourly. If we replay the tool here, price I think before was let me see, price at 11 was bullish. So again, looking at the 4 hourly time frame, as you can see here, price for me is still respecting this 4 hour order block. So my bias is still to look for longs. Again, you can see that it's tapped into this POI. So again, this point of interest is order block, and again, it's created this higher low. So for me, I reckon price will push up and continue on its uptrend, because obviously price is still on this massive uptrend. So yeah, that's why I was looking for buys. Again, I will drop down now to the hourly. Let's just see what the hourly is saying. Again, there was news today scheduled at 8:30 a.m. I don't really trade news, so I waited for news to hit afterwards, and then as well on New York Open. So stock exchange open, I think at 9:30 a.m. I also wait before I enter a trade. So yeah, as I can see, or again, we're getting this push up on the 10 hour candle or 1 hour candles. As we keep playing price, let's go to around 2 o'clock. Here we go. All right, let's drop to the 5 minute time frame. So again, let's just see what happens when news hits. So as you can see, guys, news hits, price just pumps up, break structure to the upside. See, and we got that break structure to the upside. So yeah, that's a bullish sign. Again, price continues to pump. So as price keeps pumping, we'll go down towards close to where my entry is. So again, at market open, so at 2:30, price continues to pump. So it's still pumping. This is kind of where I would look for that retracement. So again, this was at market open. So you can see this massive bearish candle. Again, this to me is just a liquidity grab. So as I can see here, price is respecting this hourly order block. So the reason why it's marked up here, if you go to the hourly, you can see that this is a clear 1 hour order block. So you can see price broke to the upside. So again, this is your strong order block. Again, we can see this strong reaction from the order block. So again, price is pumping up. So once I noticed that all of this liquidity, is getting wiped out, as you can see, price is respecting this order block. We haven't confirmed entry yet. So now I'm waiting for a little pullback. So price still isn't pulling back. There we go. That's the pullback. And then now I'm waiting for an entry above this kind of level. This is kind of what I was waiting for. I was waiting for price to break this level to kind of enter my long position, having this low below here as a form of where my stop loss would be. However, this was a lot of pips, so I usually try to take around 40 to 50 pip stop loss max. So yeah, this was too big of a stop loss, so I didn't really like this kind of entry. So I kind of waited patiently. I'm waiting for price to break this level. Okay, finally, price broke this level. Oh, no, it didn't actually. Yeah, it just wicked. So again, it's really important, guys. I was a bit impatient. So I think I entered a trade here because I saw this massive, I thought price was going to leave me. And this is why it's so important, guys. Patience pays. Patience pays. Like, I tried to enter a long here. I didn't wait for the 5 minute candle closure. And you can see price is just rejecting. It's failing to break this area here. So that's my own fault. I took a small loss. I took a $90 loss. That was close to 1%. But yeah, again, the reason, look, you can see price is just wicking. It didn't candle close and break this area here. So you can see now, that's the actual break, okay? So now we've got this break and confirmation. Still, I don't like this area here. Like, it's quite high up. So I kind of waited patiently, that my stop loss would be too big if I entered here. So although it's broken this level, I'm waiting for a pullback or some form of like a confirmation of entry. So I keep playing price. Okay, here we're getting that little pullback now. Now we've got a little break again, still not above that level. So now here, I would be comfortable to enter my trade here if that makes sense. So I could have entered here. However, still I wanted further confirmation and I didn't like this liquidity below. So again, I'm waiting patiently. I'm waiting patiently. And then, yeah, now we get finally this little pullback. That's it. So once I see price pulling back, that's it. And then it again breaks this level again. Now I'm kind of confident. All right, cool. Price is kind of like, you know, retesting, coming down, rejecting, and really breaking this level. Now I enter the trade here with my stop below this candle wick here. So again, this was around a 30 pip stop loss, I think, which was enough to secure a 1 to 2. However, I entered 2 smaller positions here, and my I think I cut the trade a little bit short just to recover my loss today, because obviously, yeah, I wanted to preserve capital, and I didn't like how choppy price was. So again, guys, like I do really want to stick to my plan and wait for that 1 to 2 ideally. However, I can't get greedy, and like if the market is telling me that price is indecisive and is really, really choppy, mate, take what you can get. Like honestly, for me, it was a case of, cool, I already took a loss. I'm already kind of risking a little bit more than I should, because I've already lost like close to 1%. So I just wanted to get my capital back. So as soon as I hit kind of 1 to 1, I took some profit off. And then, yeah, this was kind of the trade. So as you can see here, it's just shy of TP. So again, just shy of a 1 to 2. So as soon as I saw price kind of rejecting this level, I dropped down to the 3 minutes actually. I was watching price, like seeing how it reacted. So as soon as I saw this kind of double top happen, I kind of cut my trade around here. So it was like a 1 to 3, or 1 to 1.3, sorry. So yeah, that was kind of like the W trade today. But in total, I'm down around $13. So basically like a break-even day. So I'm down 0.1%. So it is what it is. Again, just price was really indecisive, choppy. I think Trump was talking as well. I didn't know if that had an effect on the market, but as you can see, usually US 30 is never this choppy. This is looking more like gold, man. Gold is so choppy. So look, it is what it is. You can't get them right all the time. I'm just happy that I kind of like had good risk management with my trade today. I feel like I mitigated as much as possible the risk and secured a little bit of profit, even like when I've taken an L. So definitely that's the aim of the game, guys. Just preserve capital, and obviously, you know, try and when you feel price is going your way, just let it hit your 1 to 2. But I already knew today the market conditions was very choppy, so it didn't make sense to kind of risk a few pips here. So even if, look, I could have waited for it to hit a 1 to 2, but that would have been silly. Like it hit literally like a 1 to 1.9. I was so close to hitting my TP, but I'm not an idiot. Like if I'm seeing price rejecting this level and I've already taken loss, my aim is literally just to preserve capital. So I just need to secure as much capital. As much as I wanted to run to TP2, I need to preserve capital. So yeah, that was the trade, guys. Again, what would have been a shame, I mean, price eventually did fully break through this area and go into this area, which I knew, well, had a feeling price would kind of reach these higher levels up here. So yeah, as you can see, playing price out, we just play it out, play a bit faster. As you can see, coming close to around 6 o'clock, we have that massive sweep of liquidity, and this is when the actual move happens. So once kind of like things kind of boil over, this is when all of this kind of like choppiness, this gets swept, all of this liquidity gets swept. We have that break, again, a little pullback, and then I would have entered off this kind of like candle close on the 5 minutes. So that's my confirmation of the stops on the low here, because that's like that's giving me confirmation of entry. And then do like a 1 to 2. I mean, TP would have been hit within like seconds, man. Like literally, it would have flown to TP. So yeah, that was the trade. You know, that would have been a banging trade to take. However, yeah, I wasn't around 6 o'clock. I had a client to train, so that was outside like the trading times. So yeah, that was the breakdown of today's trade. Ideally, the move happened later on in the evening. There's a lot of indecisiveness in the market today. I'm just happy to walk away not taking like a fat L, because it did look really bad from the start when I entered a FOMO'd entry here without having that 5 minute candle closure, and then I got literally wrecked, because as you can see here, I mean, price closed bullish, but it literally just was so choppy. It all the way like hit my stop loss and then, you know, closed a bit high. So bit annoying, but we move, we learn. Again, it's a nice reminder to remember that patience pays, guys. Patience really does pays. So that was the trade breakdown. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you in the next video. For now, take care and peace.